In this video, we'll show you how to prevent screenshots from being taken in WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This feature can be really useful if you want to send something to someone but don't want them to take a screenshot or keep the image. Let's dive into it. To start, open the chat where you want to send the photo. Then, go to the bottom left of the screen, or just to the left of the text box when your keyboard is open. Tap on the plus icon. From there, choose either the camera or photos option, depending on where your picture is. I'm selecting a photo here, and once you choose it, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Now, you can edit the photo as usual and even add a caption if you like. But here's the important part. Look to the right of the caption box, and you'll see a little number 1. Tap on that, and this will change the setting to View Once. This ensures that the photo can only be viewed once. If the recipient tries to take a screenshot, WhatsApp will automatically hide the photo, so it won't show up in their screenshot. Once you've done that, just go ahead and send the photo. The person will be able to view it only once, and if they try to take a screenshot, the image will be hidden.